Hi. So, what is AddMeetings? AddMeetings is a qualification platform where every inbound meeting request is qualified for executives today, assessing whether the meeting request is relevant to them or not. So, today they can qualify meeting requests in many different ways. One is, of course, you get a lot of meeting requests on your emails, you get a lot of meeting requests on your LinkedIn messages, you get a lot of meeting requests on calls. So if you're on AddMeetings as an executive, you can, as an executive or as a decision maker, you can sign up on the platform and just share your intent, what kind of meetings or how a business conversation would look like for you. In just a couple of minutes, we learn from many different sources about you and your businesses, and you share a couple of information, so on and so forth, and you create your profile. It's absolutely free for you to create your profile as an executive. Once you create your profile, you can simply say to me, if I'm reaching out to you and say, hey, meet me on AddMeetings. And as soon as you tell me that, I'm going to simply do addmeetings.com. And as soon as I do that, I will land on the landing page. As soon as I do that, I can find you right on the screen. Let's say your name is Jenny. You told me, hey, Kiran, meet me on AddMeetings. And I said, okay, let me meet Jenny here. I click on Jenny and I can automatically see Jenny's calendar right here. So of course I've signed in, I have enough of credits. So I need to have 3 layers of qualification before I get an access to her because I need to be legitimate. I need to have a real intent and real reason, real value why I want to request a meeting with Jenny. So as soon as I do this, I'm going to see, okay, I see Jenny's calendar. She told me to request a meeting here and I click on request a meeting. But I cannot simply access the calendar to request a meeting. I need to go through various steps before the calendar gets unlocked, which allows Jenny to know that I have done my homework before simply requesting a meeting. So here I can say that demo. I can say I want to like to give you a demo, Jenny, platform demo about AddMeetings. And here I can, of course, write my own script as to why I want to meet with her, or I can ask AI because AI already knows what I want, what I'm looking for. Because when I sign up, I share my intent as well. And I ask AI to give me a very good pitch. Uh, After AI generates a pitch, I'm going to check my pitch to see how eligible it is. If my pitch is relevant to Jenny and what she's looking for, what the reason she's on the platform, the calendar gets unlocked. I'm going to quickly look at this and then look at the time I'm available and then request a meeting. So as soon as I request a meeting, the meeting gets through to her calendar and then I have I can see this right on my dashboard as to what kind of meetings get are on my dashboard. What kind of meetings is upcoming? When do I have the next meeting? So on and so forth. So I just sent a request to Jenny and I'm waiting for her to confirm. As soon as she confirms it on her email, she receives it, I get the meeting confirmed. So and I can do the meeting straight on the calendar. I can just simply accept yes or no. I mean, she can simply say yes or no and then take the conversation forward. Essentially, we are building this to reduce all the noise for decision makers. This is one of the ways, but of course, decision makers, if they want the meeting, you might argue and say that, oh, of course, if I want a meeting as a CEO, I can go and find whoever I want to, but where do they go? Because since they've already shared that information, they can access what kind of meetings are relevant for them straight on our recommendation engine. Today we have AddMeetings recommendation. If a person is on the platform, we also assess on the relevancy score based on how relevant this person is. May not be that accurate. The goal is to get to 80% or above, but this will improve as we scale the platform, as users share more intentions and relevancy, what kind of meetings they're looking for, the score keeps growing. I see here this person Maria, and I see it's 31% score. So I can request a meeting with Maria because this is what I see as AddMeetings recommended this to me, so on and so forth, which is good because it's relevant to me and I see there's a good match. It's not 100%, it's 30%. My goal is to look for those who are 100% matching. We do have external recommendation, which is still upcoming, where we will be working more on showing who apart from AddMeetings, which profile outside of AddMeetings is a good fit for me. It could be from LinkedIn, it could be from many different other sources available on the web, which we are going to integrate and show you right here as a person that you're looking to connect with, who should you talk to move your business forward. So this is Add Meetings, and if you're looking to connect, do let us do test, and we're looking forward to learning more. Thank you.